Illum ħankunu qed nagħmlu l-Imqaret. Tawni dal-ktib ta' Noni għandha riħa. X'inta? Riħa ta' bipil-belt ta' kemm tas-sapport.
Il-josta kienet.
Aw, daħna Vera, ġew sbieħ. Me announcing to the office that I have a YouTube channel. You stopped when I was sprinkling. It also has a bit of alcohol in it. Mine.
Well, good.
Araw x'għandi. Dakka fisser biss l-lum ħankunu qed insajru. Illum ħankunu qed nagħmlu l-Imqaret. Wara l-video li tfajt tal-figoli fuq TikTok ħafna nies riduni nagħmel l-Imqaret. Kif tafu milux kelli l-birthday u għall-birthday il-kunjati tawni dal-ktib ta' riċetti Maltin u hawnhekk hawn riċetta tal-Imqaret u żitt xi nota jiena. Qatt ma għamilt l-Imqaret qabel jiena, ġifieri nispera li joħorġu li tajbin għax inkella ħan ma tantx nagħmel riklam tajjeb il-Malta għada. Imma issa naraw. Mort nixtri t-tama issa wkoll, so rrid noħorġu xogħol fil-basket, imma ħanibdew bl-ġina u l-ġina insomma s-soltu. Tħawat il-butir u tqiq u l-baking powder in this case u għandna zokkor, mbagħad bajda u naqdu kollox nħalluha toqgħod u waqt li toqgħod imbagħad nagħmel it-taħlita. So, s-soltu ħanġbor xaj u naħsel idi. U to be honest, l-ġina vera boring, so li ħanamela off camera. Mbagħad inkellmkom meta nagħmel it-taħlita. Mela l-ġina għamilta u l-ħadd neħħejt iż-żerrija mit-tamal. U bażikament issa ħanagħmlu t-taħlita fuq in-nar, fuq il-fake nar li għandna aħna. U trid tamal, il-mażar, irrid inħokk l-arinġa, għandna il-cloves u s-cinnamon u daqsxejn liker tal-anisid, ninsej xejdulu bil-Malti. Il-mażar, kannella u cloves. U kol daqsxejn ilma. Għamilta di u għet nibza li tfajt ħafna alkohol għax ħandu għanerġa. Noni għanda riħa. Dan jiret jgħid li għanda riħa. Ma nafx, to be honest. Għanda feeling fuq il-sini, ma nafx tal-alkohol. Imma jmin, għanda naqtu ma tal-mari. Tafx nibza u koll li tfajt l-għawis ilma. Ma nafx ħaq. Xie suppost ikun naqajibes li? Ma nafx, ħanħallija tiksaħ. Ħanitfa' fil-friġġ ħatiksaħ malajr. Wasal il-ħin li niftħu l-ġina li wkoll, to be honest, tinħoss ma ġitniex tajba qed taraw kemm ikregt. Ma nafx, li ħanagħmilha. U jaf nitfahom nara fil-friża għax m'iniex ċerta forsi jekk ma jkunux kesħin jinkisrulix fiż-żejt, so issa naraw. Trial and error. Tajjeb ukoll mela ftaħt l-ġina u ndunajt li ma kontx qed niffilmja. Imma anyways, il-pjanu li nipprova niftaħa ir-qiegħa għax dan jilek ħobba rqiegħa bi ftit filling, so ħanipprova hekk. U ma ftaħtix sew rectangle, so l-ewwel waħda. So issa baqa' li naqa' ma naħsibx li suppost ħaddimha wis, issa naraw, sabax ħadd iġib sa ġebla. Mela, ftaħt l-ġina kollha, dawn huma li rġajt ftaħt wara li jaqattom. Dawn huma l-biġġiet li ħanuża biex nittestja żejt. U issa irrid noħroġ it-taħlita. Hopefully laħqet kesħet ma nafx se naraw. Ħanħaq nimliha u nitfahom fil-friża u wara li nlesti kollox nħaq nixel iż-żejt għax dak probbli għandu ħafna biex isir. U mhux ħanulhom deep fried eżatt, ġast ħanimla taġa normali għax inkella naħli balla żejt u nitten kull maw. x'kien? X'qed tagħmel? Mela ħajkun hawn ħafna storbi u sewwa. Imma naħseb lest, ħanipprova testi. Iwa! Lallu kemm saru malajr daw. Septi ħarqa ħafna. Il-kemm isiru malajr daw. Madof. Daw mal-ewwel jinħarqu.
Da dak ċekil wieħed.
Inħatfu malajr,
Dak xam taf kemm ġew żgħar.
Le, daw il-test. Aw, riħa ta' bib il-belt ta' ħoċe. ħanara, ħanduqom ta' ma vera parti ċajt, ħanara kif qed jiġu. Ma rridhomx li ġewwa jispiċċa jkun għadu.
X'aħseb ġewwa. Fil-kassa għandek il-naqawi x'qed
Lejja, naqas naqa.
isir ġewwa.
Duqa ħa, kien opinjoni. Aw, żomm ħan iċċekkja t-temperatura ta' parti.
L-osta kien ġib darba.
Tajba ġiet! Qased nitbed il-reaction.
Il-losta kienet. Għanduqa nerġax ma doqtix sew.
Suppost 170 degrees. Era, tara jgħat ħafnoli. Irti jonqos naqa. Ha, fil-mjani naqa.
X'tamlu tarsu.
Kemm intaħsebartu?
Ma kif qed jitfarkulek?
Daw iż-żgħar. Daw test ukoll ħanara. Dawk vera nħatfu malaj.
Ija, fil-fatt mhux tajbin, naħseb ħajrtihom li.
Għandi feeling ma xħajkun għaw bizzejt zejt.
Wux ma jkun xew.
Taf kemm baqa t-tletti ta' ma nafx xed jider imma u d-daħna. Għaw d-daħna għaw. Għaw jħan iftaħ it-tija Illa għaw, vera ġew zbieħ. U Daniel għalli li ġew tajbin, għaw xiftit taw tal-bidu maħruqin ħafna x'kien jaħraq wis. Imma tara tip għalikom meta tamluhom, l-ġina l-ħażina tarmuwiex, użawa biex tittestjaw. U baqalna żewġ platti oħra wkoll ħanurikom. Sfajtu mawek singles baqa jħor bħalu b'na aktar mimli. U issa nitfaħħom ġo borza u nħallihom hemm biex nagħmluhom xi darba jew nagħmluhom fl-air fryer jew fil-forn issa naraw. Imma ħannaddaf u għad nirtimurna ħasel. Madonna. Real life of living with a PS5 player or gamer. Illallu x'daħna minn. Issa biss nispera li bqgħu tajbin sada, jiena dik l-inkwiet tiegħi għax qatt ma milt imqaret u ma nafx l-għada kif ikunu. So, issa naraw, imma ħannaddaf għax disaster. So, it's going to be on YouTube. As well.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's the best.
This is me announcing to the office that I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm curious now. Where can I find you?
Go subscribe! Okay, so... now I'm getting nervous because I usually speak in Maltese, by the way, so you won't understand anything.
Quickly, take your
But
clothes off.
hello to the video. I'm switching to English just because I'm with my colleagues, so they
Hello.
need to understand me.
You ruined it, Mom.
But it's time to taste test the Imqaret. Now, first of all, you usually have them warm as soon as they're fried, so they won't be fresh. I fried them yesterday, so they won't be fresh. But usually you can also find them in restaurants with ice cream, and they're warm, and then the ice cream melts, you know. And it's so delicious
Sounds very
and
good.
unhealthy.
The classic everything in life is either illegal
No,
or
so
or it makes you
the
fat.
filling is dates. So it's a mixture of dates cooked on in a saucepan.
Oh, it smells really good.
I want to sprinkle.
Dates, huh?
I'm doing a TikTok workshop as well.
That's no that-
Okay, I think that's enough. You weren't recording.
It now starts recording.
She
also has it.
Classic.
I
generations. The recording.
Oh, you stopped when I was sprinkling.
Sorry.
No worries.
Is it recording now or
Is this
not?
recorded?
Yeah?
Dick.
Okay, you also have to rate it like last time, okay? Okay, I want to also film you taking it like last time.
Yeah.
So yeah, you go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Lekker.
Lekker.
Delicious. Or whatever it is.
Oh, 5-star already.
I like it a lot, but I will do the same.
Yeah, just like last time.
The only reason why is because
It's a bit dry.
no, I feel it's a little bit oily.
Yeah, because it's fried.
Yeah,
supposed to
so
be
I'm not into
Ah, you're not into fried stuff. Okay.
fried sweets.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the only
You can
reason,
also
but
bake it actually, but it's healthier to bake it
I
obviously.
think baked would be more to my taste. But
Okay.
That's probably
sorry.
will ruin
What did you do?
the
Did
traditional
you need a
recipe.
star? Yeah.
But it's very nicely balanced.
I'll
with,
give a 6
Yeah.
star.
With the
Got it.
filling, yeah. So it's basically pastry and then
I was looking
A
for like where
dates.
can I get the coffee?
a dates filling,
You want
and then you
coffee also?
fold it and then you just
Oh,
fry
yeah,
it. And
big-
usually they're bigger, like they're this
Oh,
size.
thank
When you find them as street food, they're given as
You
this
try
size.
it?
But it's also a little bit like because I get like Arabic kind of notes from the spices.
Yes, it has spices. It's cloves and cinnamon, and also it has a bit of liquor.
Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, and
So-
also orange blossom water.
Right, I will give
And it's amazing that
one
this
more
is
star
healthy.
if you have
another
ice
one.
cream
Oh,
next time.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, I was thinking next time I make it, and I'll probably make it for like these events we had last time, the international
Yeah,
food
yeah,
event,
yeah.
and I'll bring ice cream and I'll make this,
Oh,
and I'll
that'd
fry
be
it fresh.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it
can
would be
imagine
good.
fresh will be really, really good.
Yes.
Fresh
Yeah,
and
even
ice
this
cream.
is from
Yes.
yesterday and it's still so good.
Yeah,
Still
it's,
very-
I made it at like
It's not dry,
9 p.m.
actually.
It's not dry
not
and
okay.
it's not also too oily. It's
Because
light.
I was worried that
It
it, would
doesn't-
be dry.
Yeah, for me also it's
You
a bit
don't
too
feel
low.
heavy.
No.
And it's not too sweet. That's my best actual
Okay,
compliment.
Yeah.
good.
Good sweet.
Nice. Because
I'm very sensitive to sweet.
Yeah, you can
I don't
have-
like sweet.
Can I spam this?
Yeah, of course. If you want, you can
Yeah, I have to
do it there.
Oh, here, there's still some.
Yeah, I was thinking, should I put the icing sugar or not? Because you don't actually find it with icing sugar
Oh.
when you buy it as street food.
Oh,
No, as
okay.
street food. But in restaurants, they plate it nicely with icing sugar and ice cream.
Filling as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's also very
Oh, no,
nice.
you should do
Maybe
it
it's a
like this, right?
combination of the coffee and the...
Yeah.
Just like this.
Meat Kenny.
What?
Yeah,
what's this here?
Ruben.
More cake?
Yeah.
Maltese sweets.
there's
It's not
more
cake.
cake
It's
also.
not cake.
It's you again.
It's me again.
Should we sprinkle a bit more? Like, do you want to film? Should I film again? That you
No,
don't
it's
sprinkle?
fine.
Okay, but what do we have in it?
So it's filled with dates. It's
It's live
pastry
and
filled
you-
with
Oh,
dates.
that.
Is it live?
Yeah.
I know the ingredients.
Yes, of course. So it's dates. It also has a bit of alcohol in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Am I allowed to drive after?
Sorry?
You did them yourself.
Yeah, yesterday. And you have to vote for them then.
Yeah, Yvonne.
Oh, I like it. Yeah, I love everything which is sweet.
Yeah.
So yeah,
But
you can give me anything.
Very good, good, average.
No.
no more.
Look what someone told me last time. They told me don't cook anything else for them. Not everyone gave you a 5-star.
Now you know the person.
The camera, if you want to be on the
Oh wow! Oh damn! Oh wow!
Yeah.
Come this
Well, good.
What's up, art? Whose camera is this?
Mine.
Stand here and then take.
Yes, you too.
It's nice.
You like them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You already scored them?
Yeah, I did.
You will be sharing the review on Instagram.
Taste the difference?
Sorry?
Oh, is it?
You will be sharing that on Instagram for real?
Yeah, of course. Well, not Instagram. YouTube.
Wow.
Yeah, but also Instagram.
When are you going to share the YouTube
share the
address?
post.
Do I need to Google you and find you somewhere? Come on.
Because it's a bit embarrassing.
Yeah, I know. That's why. That's why I want to know.
Yeah, but I speak Maltese, so you won't understand anything
Translate.
anyways. But yeah, just my name.
Is
You
this
can find me.
the Maltese reaction, the Dutch reaction on Maltese food?
Yes.
The coffee I drink is from
Yes.
coffee.
Nice.
I also post on TikTok. On TikTok, it's a short
Of
way.
course.
Yeah.
Funny.
The
Yeah.
coffee I drink is also from
And it's actually funny.
coffee
I'm
powder.
nominated
But it
for an
only stays
award.
good for a couple minutes.
Where can we vote?
Really? You want to vote?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Okay, I'll send you the link.
Send it around to the team.
It's a content creative spotlight for youth. And someone nominated me, so now I'm
That was
nominated.
funny. You send it around to the team. So we
Okay,
can
I'll send it
vote,
on
vote, 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 vote,
Messenger.
vote. All my email addresses.
That's so funny. Yes, I will. I was too embarrassed to tell everyone.
Now we know.
Yeah, you know. I was like, I mean, eventually, if you probably type my name in Google now with the SEO, it will start coming up. So.
Oh, funny.
No, it's not everywhere, but
It's very unique names.
What's an example of something that, if it's mentioned in your video, will anger all your fans?
so Maltese people can criticize their country, but if other people criticize Malta, they will hate
Okay,
you.
so if you say example right now, recorded on video, it's okay. But then if someone says it around here, then you have to do more work on editing the video.
Is this the best cookie that Maltese can make?
Stand there and say that again.
Show your face!
Run, Arise, run!
Okay, I'll stop filming now. 'Cause